Welcome to our channel Maths Hub.
Can you solve this max problem in just 5 seconds? The question is x by 3 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 7 by 12. What is the value of x? Looks tricky, right? But with a simple butterfly trick, you can solve it in seconds. Let's see how. By using the butterfly method, we find out the value of x. So here it is, by cross multiplying we'll get 4 into x. So 4x. The next is 3 into 1. So 3. So here we'll get 4x plus 3. This is the numerator one. So denominator we'll know how to solve. So 3 into 4, that is 12. 4 3s are 12. So here how we'll get the equation is 4x plus 3 by 12 is equal to 7 by 12. So here denominators are both are equal. So we can write like 4x plus 3 is equal to 7. So here we have to solve the x value. So we have to take the x value in the separate subject. Okay. So now 4x is equal to 7 minus 3. So here plus 3 go to the RHS side, it becomes minus 3. So 4x is equal to 4. Now x we have to find out. So x is equal to 4. Here it is in the multiplication. So if it is go to the that side, my division. So x is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. I hope you all understood how to solve the problem. Now we'll go to the other question, that is compare the quantities. See, by using this butterfly only, we'll compare two. So 7 by 9, here the question is 7 by 9 or 8 by 11. So by using this cross multiplication, 7 into 11 is equal to 77. So again the one more is 9 into 8. 9 into 8 is 72. So here which is the greater one? We know 77 is the greater one. So 7 by 11, 7 by 9 is greater than 8 by 11. So the next question is challenging question. Already I gave on the thumbnail. This is, question is 5 minus 2 by 3. So I hope you all done. If no, we'll check the answer. So most of the students will confuse in 5 nothing, denominator is nothing is there, how to solve. So nothing is there means 5 by 1. 5 by 1 minus 2 by 3. So the same process, that is we know that cross multiplication, that is butterfly method, 5 into 3 and 2 into 1. So 5 3s are 15. 1 into 2 is 2. So here in the this between the symbol is minus. So we have to subtract this. So 15 minus 2 is 13. We got the numerator now and we have to get the denominator. So nothing is at 1 into 3. So that is 3. So the final answer is 13 by 3. So this is the answer. Check the answer. I hope you all understood this. Thank you.